Just relax.
Come on, let's get it over with. Yeah.
Just relax.
Come on, let's get it over with. See if you learn nothing. You learn nothing. Huh?
I'm gonna give it to you the CDC. Relax, just relax.
Richard.
Relax. Relax. Relax.
Richard.
Relax.
El Mara.
Just relax. Relax. I'm giving you the CDC way, not just just relax.
Richard, no! You're trying to push it down.
That's where it should go. That's where it should go.
That not done. I'm not saying do it. Give me man.
Just relax, but you're just
Richard,
relax.
you're trying to hurt me.
I'm not hurting you. Just relax. Don't move. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, you can go all the way back to your throat. Look. That's where you go. Did you get hurt?
Yes.
No, you didn't hear. You should go all the way to the back of it. That's what Cardi B said. That dangling back of your throat. That's what she said, right?
You're so stupid.
There it is. Easy.
Give me the seat, man.
You see, it's still alive. Which way I put the trash?
In the garbage can right there.
You know, rate me, you know. How was it?
No, you a mess.
Mess with what? It's two nostrils should go. Up. Nostril. Cardi B said they should feel it.
Me not care what Cardi B say.
Inside.
Huh?
No, you have to completely block yourself. What you say?
No, you don't.
That's the box set. The box set. Always complete a layer before starting a new one. There it is, the rules. Yeah.
Richard.
You don't want to follow rules, you know, you.
Why you go so high?
It no matter what you want to do, that is it. I don't know how to play.
Your teeth already, Richard.
How teeth? You think say yo? One hand. That's a 2 1. And it's a 5 seconds after you touch it.
Wow.
That's what I'm thinking. Say your turn in 5 seconds after you stack your block, or as soon as it's going to touch the block. So you lose your chance.
There you go.
5 seconds after you touch it.
No.
That the rule
Your
says.
teeth.
See the rule right yourself. 5 seconds after you stack your block, or as soon as the next player has touched a block.
Alright.
Give it to me.
Richard, your teeth with anything.
Are the rules? I'm gonna make the rules. 5 seconds after you touch it.
That ain't enough.
That's how we play. Once you touch it, 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4. Yeah, that's how we play. So that's you look before you touch. Yeah, one of them I love touch. So that means alright, 5 seconds after. Start counting. Yeah, you can touch.
Your 5 seconds up long time.
Up where? I think 3 seconds. Why keep spinning for this?
Can you keep your by rules?
Yeah, but these not even one hand can take out the block and then we'll cement in. One hand, Joel. One hand. You gotta use 4 hands. I must start that with my career. You must hear this guy moving.
Which can move?
Them two, yeah. That dead. Black there, sir. This one is still edges. He's a builder.
You're the builder. Richard, you can't take from the top. You reach so far up.
What do you mean by it?
Alright, go on.
Alright. Let me give you this. Oh, come on. Doctor's hands. Joe, you give me my every left room for me, man. Oh, easy to take you. Teeth is a gear, get all like.
Fix it now.
So I can't go up there now?
Yeah,
Cause you know I'm going nowhere now. I don't know the name. I only have one start this. Two edges. Circle. Around the wall of Jericho, around the wall of Jericho. Round the wall of Jericho, the army went. Teeth, you know, man. Yeah. Teeth inside you. See your block, can't even fix this properly.
So fix it.
That's yours. You fix it. You put it
Nah,
in.
touch it.
Teeth. See me. Ooh! Stay where you are. That's unstable up there now, man. Let's see. That's that.
Why would you take from the top?
Because you can.
No, I thought you said you have to build a block first. All right. Yes, you make up your own rules.
Well, yes. You're right. Remember, you have to build it block. You never even fix this properly. Doctor's hands, doctor's hands. Here goes the doctor's hand. Ah. Round the wall of Jericho, round the wall of Jericho, round the wall of Jericho, Karen went. When the people made a shout. Oh, that's easy. That's an easy one. Oh.
Richard, you are going to I.
Circle your cake.
Why this thing feel like it got tip over for me?
Tip over, tip over. Tip over, tip over. One hand, Joe, one hand. Man. me see it. Me see which one can move it. Let's see which one can move. You wanna see which one can move? See? It's like easy. Easy breezy. Joe.
What, one hand? Then no one hand there do.
But you hold it and then you push it. You can't do that?
I mean, I'm using one hand.
That's not making sense. It's like you hold it, stabilize it, then push it. Man. Can you do that? So you're telling me.
No.
Hold on. So
They
you
say what?
say me can stabilize this and then push something across her? Huh?
Me no know.
Your
And
teeth,
that
you know,
you
man.
do.
That you do, man. Teeth. Look, this you do, you know. You stabilize it and then you kick it out, so. You can't do it, so, Joe.
Okay. Well, you just do it.
Because you do it first. Look, this you do. Me only show you what you do.
You tried your teeth, but you're doing the same thing again.
No! Me I show you what you do. I'm demonstrating your flaw.
Last time I got tumble over for you.
I don't know if you tumble over, cause second.
Look at it. Why you look so mean? Where we do you? Richard,
Joe,
your teeth, man.
you can't talk so much over thing, man, when you play the game, you know, man.
You blow it down.
Me a blood up?
Joel!
What? Alright, be quiet.
Yeah.
Never hear this before.
Second man. For you blow it down.
Richard, are two different hand you using now?
One hand me I use.
Your teeth?
Joel, second man. Stop. Call up bad things, man.
Yo, 5 seconds up already.
You want it?
No.
Sure.
Richard, your teeth right.